morning, class 10th. As we reached at the next module, unification of Italy. We previously read about Mazzini. He was recognized as the soul and path maker for the Italy's unification. There are several people, but he was known as the soul because he evoked the people with his powerful speech and vision. He was known for Carbonaries, Young Italy, and revolutionary activist. Second person was the Cavour. He was recognized as the brain of unification of Italy. Why he was recognized as the brain? That he belongs to the royal family and he became the prime minister at 1852. He belongs to the small state of Sardinia and Piedmont. He knows that it is nearly impossible for him to win the war against Austria. So he started industrial reform and modern agriculture in the state, Sardinia and Piedmont. Then hidden relationship treaties with France and with the combined army of France, Sardinia and Piedmont, they defeated Austrian force in 1859. Now, the third person was Garibaldi. He was known as the Sword. He was the member of Young Italy. These red shirt people, they united the Italy with the several wars. For this purpose, I am showing you one PPT. Just go through with it. Students, unification of Italy. Now, Italy's unification in early 1800, Italy was comprised of small autonomous cities, provinces. These peoples, they were having different visions. Napoleon Bonaparte worked for it, but after the Congress of Vienna, these Italian territories were under foreign rule. Only two, only two states were ruled by Italian people. Now this was the map of Italy. The first person as a nationalist feeling, Mazzini, organized a secret society named Young Italy. It was known as Art, Voice, Soul of Unification. He wanted liberalization, democratic republic, governed a united Italy. Then second was Cavour. He was known as the brain of unification, as we discussed previously, that he belongs to royal family and he introduced industrial and agricultural reform. Along with, he have some special relationship with France and with the combined army of Sardinia, Piedmont and France, they defeated Austria. Garibaldi, he was a military leader. He belongs to the hidden societies. He known as the sword of unification. In 1848, that nationalist revolt against foreign rules in Italy, and the revolt was failed. But the Prime Minister of Sardinia allied his forces his states with Britain and France against Russia. In 1858, they defeated Austria, as we already discussed. Cavour successfully driven foreign powers out of the most northern Italy. With the secret support in 1860, Garibaldi organized his Red Shirt force, the Bourbons, out of southern Italy. Garibaldi turned his force to Rome, which was protested by French. Cavour received and convinced Garibaldi to not attack on Rome, because at the time of Austria, France support Italy. That's why he requested. So at last in 1870, Italy added 2 states. After years of struggle, Italy was unified. So student, this was the unification of Italy and role of these 3 personalities. If you have any doubt, consult with me in Zoom meeting. Thank you.